What's up, guys? Hello. What is up? Your girl is here doing a video. This is what I have. Love this. And I also have Vivian Vixen Crunch here. Yeah. Oh, Amazon playing with me. I'm still waiting, so I'm gonna miss Vixen Crunch out on mine. And I'm going to mix I'm gonna do my Always Anxieties. Mmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-mm. So good. Yeah, we go together. Save cornstarch and Vixen Crunch. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Going in the mix in my last mix. It's good, y'all. And now, I need to order Vixen Crunch. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I ran out too. I would say, yo, I'm running out. Amazon better just send me my stuff. I'm not playing. Period. They're playing on me, y'all. Cheers to you. There's some sparks on my legs. It's so pretty outside, y'all. It's pretty out there. Very pretty. Yeah. I gotta come get y'all some of this. Let me know in the comments, y'all. Has anybody tried this yet? I know some people saying they haven't. If you have tried it, how does it taste to you? But y'all, this is it to me. Let me know how you enjoying the page if you are new to this channel. Let's spin up with you guys. Love you guys so much. Let's get another bite in here. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Tell a friend, tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. I won't be disappointed, guys. Remember, peace of mind and everything. Peace of mind and everything. So remember, before you subscribe to this channel, please keep the drama where you're at, because the drama is not this page. I love you guys very much. See you later. Bye.